So the first thing I'm going to do is take the tip of this paper and bring it all the way to the middle. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Do the same thing too on this side. And just leave one empty. Now we're gonna turn the other way around and take the tip of this paper. Don't fold it all the way in, just a little bit. Alright? Once you're done like that, you're gonna take the tip again and fold it slightly. Alright? Now we're gonna turn it the other way around. This paper here and fold it in just slightly like that. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay? Now we're going to turn it around. Your baby chick is almost done. You just need to draw the eyes. And there you go! Our origami duck is done! Thank you so much for watching!